Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In the upcoming two videos we are going to learn the basics which we will be using most rigorously in React. So in the first video we are going to learn about let versus const. So these are the different ways to create the variables. So these are the keywords which are used to create the variables in React. So this comes with the ES6 version of JavaScript. We can create variables by using var also, but these are the most preferable way to create a variable. So when we have to go with let and when we have to go with const. So if your variable value changes over time, then you can go with let, and if your variable value remains constant and will not change over the time, then you can go with const. So let's see a practical example for this. So I am going to open some online platform, jsbin.com. So you can select JavaScript and console here, and I'm going to create a variable by using var. And I'm going to log this. Now I'm going to change this and log this again. So once I run this, you will be able to see the both names here what we have logged. So we are going to create the variable with var, and I'm changing this, it got changed. So if you go with let, and if I clear this and run this again, you can see the we can see that it got logged here. And once I change this to const here, you can see the first log, and the second time when you assign that to the constant variable, then you will be seeing some error like this. So you cannot assign the data to the const variable again. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.